welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about social media and how your Instagram is either getting you the job or losing you the job. And in this video I'm going to give you some tips on what your social media should be saying about you and how you actually convey that through the pictures that you are posting. So your social media is effectively an advert for you and your life. So I want you to open your Instagram account, look at your page and think, what is this saying about me? Like, if this wasn't me, if I was on a stranger's account and these are the pictures what on there, what would I think about that person? And the reason I want you to do this is because employers and recruiters are doing this. Whether it's after your interview or before they give you an interview, they are going on your social media pages and having a look through to see what kind of person you are. So the first thing that we're going to go through is what a picture says about someone. So first off, the very popular selfie. Self-absorbed. That's what a selfie says. A picture of scenery is like, oh, this person is artsy, they're into photography, they can appreciate the world around them. Multiple pictures with one person, i.e. a boyfriend or a girlfriend, says this person is way too involved in their relationship. And that is all they care about in this world. They have no other interests other than their relationship. Thirst traps, and this is for men and women, you know, if men, I'm not saying that you are those two things, I'm saying that that is what people think when they see that picture. They might also think it's a good picture and they might think you're hot, but subconsciously they're also thinking insecure or they're a hoe. And neither of those are good. If you use a preset on the pictures that you post, it says this person is organised, they can think ahead, and most likely they are well groomed in person. Likely if your pictures do not match at all, if you've got one picture that is cropped to a square, one picture that is cropped to a rectangle, one picture's a bloody star, there's no continuity, they are clashing colours, it says the opposite. It says you're disorganised, you can't think ahead. I'm not saying that this is true, I'm saying that this is what people think when they see this on social media. If your feed is colourful, it suggests this person leads a colourful and vibrant life. Just like if your feed is beige and neutral tones or just one colour, it suggests that your life isn't colourful, it's pretty one-dimensional. It's incredible how literally we apply these things, like, oh, they have a colourful feed, they must lead a colourful life. Oh, they post lots of selfies, they must be very self-absorbed. It's crazy, but this is psychologically proven. This is what we think when we see these things on people's feeds. If the person is smiling in their photos, it suggests that they are happy, they are vibrant, and they are trustworthy. And again, this is not my opinion, this is psychology. We trust a smile. Just like if your pictures are just pouty faces or straight faces, it suggests that you are boring, unsociable, and untrustworthy. And if you have group pictures on your feed, it suggests that you are friendly and outgoing. I know, shocker. So, with that information, look at your Instagram feed and let me know in the comments what you think your Instagram is saying about you. Now I am going to give you some actual tips that you can use so that you are conveying the right message through your social media. You should not be pouting. Unless you are on America's Next Top Model, why are you pouting? It literally doesn't look cute on very many people. And as I said, it conveys the wrong message. So you need to start smiling. And some of you are going to be like, oh, well, I don't like my teeth, I don't like my smile. Teeth, if you can't afford to actually get them fixed in real life or just get some crest whitening strips, then you can face tune your teeth so they look good in the picture. But smiling is like the number one thing. If you don't do anything else, start smiling in your pictures. It will literally change everything about your Instagram. And the thing is, you can take a picture with a pouty face and think, oh my god, I look really cute in that picture. But when you post that picture, it doesn't make the person seeing it feel any emotion. Whereas I know if I go on my friend's Instagram and they have just posted a picture and they've got a massive smile, it makes me smile and it makes me feel good. If I see my friend post a selfie where they're like, I feel absolutely nothing. And that's exactly what a recruiter is going to feel. When they look at your Instagram, is your Instagram conveying emotion? Is it going to make them feel happy just by seeing you smile? Or are they going to be like, this is boring? The next one is selfies. The amount of Instagram pages I go on. Because, you know, I talk to you guys on Instagram and I'm like, oh, let me just have a little stalk of this person, see what they look like. Selfie, 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 another selfie, 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 selfie. And they could be the best person ever, but that is not coming across through their Instagram. And I think, wow, this person is boring. They don't do anything with their life because they're not showing it on their feed. So their whole world revolves around them and how they look, because that is simply what a selfie conveys. And it is even worse for guys. I'm sorry, but guys should not be posting selfies. It is not a good look. I have never, ever, ever seen a selfie of a guy and been like, oh, hey. If you're a guy and you need to take a picture of yourself, please balance the phone on a book up against the wall, stand back and smile so it at least looks like someone has taken the picture. Please do not be holding your phone out like this. It's not good for girls, but it is not good for guys. My rule with selfies is I can post a selfie every 9 photos I post on Instagram. Ideally 12 if you have to post a selfie, but 9 is okay. But if you are going to post a selfie, then those other 8 photos that you post in between need to be vibrant as hell. You need to be showing off your exciting life, all of your hobbies, all of your friends. And then that selfie is just kind of blend in and it's not going to be so obvious. So when you go out with friends, make them take a group photo with you. Or if you go out with one friend, get a photo of the both of you. If you see a nice view, take a picture of it and then go on your phone, get hold of a filter, save it to your phone, and then every photo you take, put that filter on the photo so that the colours are kind of similar. There are filters everywhere. There are free filters. I mean, we live in a filtered world, so there is no excuse to not be. It's almost easier to put a filter on your photo than to not. And it really changes your Instagram because, as I said, it conveys that you're an organised person and you can think ahead. And if an employer is looking at your Instagram, that is something that they are looking for. And this doesn't mean that it's going to make your Instagram boring. If you go on my Instagram, I have a preset that I put on all of my photos. It's the same preset. It makes them a little bit more orangey, beigey, but it means that they all look fairly similar. But my Instagram is really, really colourful because I wanted to convey that I live a vibrant life, which I do. If you have a partner that you like to post on social media, same rule as the selfies, 1 picture with your partner every 9 pictures on Instagram. It's your Instagram. Unless this is a joint account, you do not need to be posting them in every 3 photos. This is an advert for your life. So yeah, it's great to show that you have a significant other, that you have a partner. But it's also important that someone doesn't look at your Instagram and think, oh my God, all they care about is their relationship. So those are my top tips for your social media. I really hope that this helps. And it really is important, guys, like especially if you are going to apply for a job soon, or maybe you've already applied for the job and you're waiting for an interview. Check your social media. If you go on your Insta and it is just selfie, 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 you need to delete, 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 okay? Or add some other shit in there. Like, you need to completely rethink your Instagram because it is an advert for your life and you want to be saying the right things. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, then give this video a like. Also, just to mention, I am posting videos on TikTok, so if you do use TikTok, then please go and give me a follow on there as well. I know I am late to the game, but you know, better late than never. And yeah, I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, whatever you decide to do, and I will see you in the next video.